Alright, let's have a look at the actual chip. Alright, let's have a look. It's all back together now. This is the ECU. Got two 10mm holding it, and you gotta take it out. So I usually take the seat off, make it much easier to move everything out properly. Alright, don't struggle, you end up breaking stuff. Okay, now that's, if you want to look at it, it's called, see that, it's called Motronic. Motor, and I say Motronic. And the other one is gearbox. That one there, because it's automatic. The back one is a gearbox, the front one is the engine. So this is the one you want to take out to do the actual chip transformation or chip transfer. So now I'm going to put this in here. Let's start it up. Hopefully it should start when everything's done properly. Beautiful. Give it a rev. Alright, that's good news. It started first go, so now I can put everything back together, take it for a road test, and then I think it's getting close to finish. So this car will be, most of the cars in the workshop today. 911 CSC there, this one, that red one there, 964 there. A few cars, 997 outside, and a few other cars outside. It's going to be picked up this week, so about 7-8 cars getting picked up this week, nearly 10. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.